Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be dyeing my hair some dark purple. Today I'm going to be using Arctic Fox and this is Purple Rain. A lot of people suggested this for me for a semi-permanent color. It's supposed to be very conditioning and I figured, let's just get this to one color. It will fade over time. There's lots of purple underneath this and it will kind of cover this weird magenta. I know it comes off in this lighting as red. It is not. It is like magenta. So I think that'll be what I'm going to do. Hair's going so much healthier now. So much. I pretty much cut off all those ends that were dead. So like this much. I cut them off. They were dead. Like hair's already dead, I know. But they were fried. They needed to go. They were breaking and splitting. I am going to be getting my hair done in a few days. I'm like nervous yet excited. I don't know yet. I'm like both. I'm going to be getting some long layers just to kind of, I don't know, give it some life. It's so flat in the back and I got a cowlick, so I'm hoping that'll help. I want to keep the length, just give it a little bit more volume because you can see like it's kind of like stuck to my head and I don't know, most of them it just doesn't look that cute, so I'm hoping that'll kind of help make that more full. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Arctic Fox Purple Rain. I got 8 ounces. I do have 2 of these. For now, I'm just going to use 1 and put this in a mixing bowl. I'm going to be sectioning off my hair and starting with the root, doing all around there, and then working my way down into sections. So that is the plan. We're going to take our time, do it right, and hopefully have some great results. You guys really recommended Arctic Fox. Okay guys, so I have all the purple. I ended up using just one whole bottle and it actually covered up really well. I'm going to leave this on for probably about 35-40 minutes and then I'll probably wash out. I got some purple brow stuff coming in too in a few days, so in this video I won't have the whole look up, but I'm sure I'll have a whole look up in a few days where you guys can kind of see me playing around with the purple and all that. But yeah, so far this is what it looks like. Wish me luck. Hopefully it comes out okay. I'm sick of failing, so hopefully. But yeah, so wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so this is the update. Guys, I absolutely love this color. I love it so much. It's so perfect. I'm so happy that it pretty much worked out. There's a few strands that are kind of like a purpley pink, but it actually it blends and looks okay. Probably when I touch it up again in a few weeks or whatnot, it'll be fine and probably cover right up, but I actually love it. It's so vivid and beautiful. Like, my hair looks so shiny and pretty. I really love it. I'll be back on in a few days. I'll give you guys an update how my hair looks, probably some purple brows, all that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and this was a hit. I really love it so far, but I will be back in a few days. Alright, thanks guys.